Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 3-in-1 cordless multifunction light from Parkside, the model Paml 2000A1 with powerful LED light with 3 adjustable light heads, 3.7 volt 2 Ah lithium battery and color temperature 6500 K. Max illumination on workshop 300 lumen, on flashlight 280 lumen and on inspection light 200 lumen, with accessories and 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manual, Type A to Type C cable for charging, 1 meter the length. Here it is the inspection light, flexible. The LED light at the front with 2.1 watts. There is the flashlight with 2.6 watts LED. And at the main unit, the workshop light with 3 watts output. You can just twist and remove one of these lights, install the flashlight, there's the connections, rotate and it locks, unlock. So easy, I just love it. Soft elements around here, remove and again install the other type, the inspection light, and it locks. Just love it. Type C port, you can charge this unit, connect the cable, you need a 5 volt, plug in, there it is charging. Later I will charge it and start the test. The on-off button, three operation modes, 100%, 50% and SOS, and off. Remove the inspection light, install the flashlight, 100%, 50%, SOS, and off. The workshop light, %, 50% and SOS mode. Nice. Adjustable. I love that. Very easy to store, wherever you want. Small and portable, you can have it anywhere. At your car, motorcycle, bicycle, for camping, fishing, wherever you want, it is portable. And here we have the magnetic foot. You can install it at any metal surface. Just love it. 3-in-1 light. So let's fully charge it and see how much brightness it has at the night. So there you have it, the Parkside 3-in-1 cordless multifunction light. This truly is a versatile powerhouse for any toolbox or household. Whether you need a broad work light for your garage, a focus-it flashlight for emergencies, or a flexible inspection light for tight spaces, the multifunction light delivers. Its cordless design and multiple lighting modes make it incredibly convenient and adaptable for countless tasks. If you are looking to consolidate your lighting solutions or just need a reliable, multi-purpose light that can go anywhere, the Parkside 3-in-1 is a fantastic, budget-friendly option. What's the one lighting challenge this tool could solve for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more practical DIY tool reviews, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and stay illuminated.